Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. First, let me show you my real trading account. I always trade on a real account so you can see genuine results. Now let's select today's indicator, the momentum indicator. As you can see on the screen, the momentum indicator is giving us a bearish direction. The price action is also showing weakness, so with both the indicator and the market moving in the same direction, we're going to place a buy trade. Now let's briefly understand the momentum indicator. The momentum indicator measures the speed and strength of price movement. It helps traders identify whether buyers or sellers are in control of the market. When the indicator shows strong bearish momentum and the market confirms the same direction, it can signal a potential sell opportunity. Likewise, when it shows bullish momentum with proper confirmation, it may indicate a buy opportunity. Always remember, never rely on an indicator alone. Wait for proper confirmation and follow good risk management before entering any trade. As you can see, our first trade has ended in a win. Now let's move to the next pair, GBP-JPY. Here the market is moving downward, and the momentum indicator is confirming the bearish trend. With this confirmation, we're placing another sell trade. And as you can see, our second trade is also a win. If you also want to improve your trading skills and receive daily free trading signals, join our Telegram channel. The link is available in the description.